First of all, this is Vishal Khurana. He's done the music for the film Ninja. And you all have heard Jeete Hain Chal. A lot of people are sending messages saying that they were in tears and they love the song and it resonates and gives them heartache and all of that.
The music for this film is very simple and very heartfelt, and I think it's because of the inspiring lyrics of Prasoon sir that it adds that real emotion, whatever. And the film is very genuine and very raw and very honest, and the performance of Sonam especially is like mind blowing.
Okay, so I'm supposed to say that.
I know, but
Jeete Hain Chal is the first song that was out, and there are 4 songs in the film. 4, right? 4 songs. There's Jeete Hain Chal. There's Aankhein Milayengi Dar Se, which is right now my personal favorite. So there are 4 songs, and they're all situational. They're all inspirational, and there is obviously no lip sync in this film, but it adds to the performance. Filmmaking is a collaboration. It's a collaborative process, and I don't think anything separately works, and music is such an integral part of it. And especially in a film like Ninja, the music has to be really like delicate and beautiful and add to the film. And I think Vishal has done an amazing job with that. So and they are all written so beautifully, and that's all Prasoon sir. I mean, he's the person who wrote Masakali for me. Like I said inside, it made me world famous in India. I'm using Atul's lines, and it made me Sonam Kapoor. And it was a song about freedom, and I think over here he knows how to write for young people. I feel he understands the voice of young people. So where Masakali was about freedom of a young person in India, for me, Aankhein Milayengi Dar Se is the voice of what I think the youth in India are feeling right now. That we don't want to be scared anymore. We want to face everybody and everything and have an opinion like we do on everything. So I think he gets the pulse, and he is, I think, one of the most important poets of our time right now. So I'm very, very excited that Prasoon sir has done 3 of my films. Yay!
विशाल खुराना बहुत ही टैलेंटेड और यंग, और बहुत सबसे अच्छी बात विशाल खुराना की जो मुझे लगती है वो ये कि उनके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस है पर एरोगेंस नहीं है। क्योंकि क्या होता है, यंग एज में बहुत कम परवाह करते हैं लोग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज़ की, और मुझे लगता है कि इनकी सबसे अच्छी खासियत यह है कि ये सुनते हैं और उस पर अमल करते हैं। ही इज़ नॉट जस्ट एरोगेंट और talented. He listens to you, and he also ready to make changes, accept other people's suggestions, and I think that's a very good thing about him, and that will take him a long way.
Actually started the background music almost a year ago. उसने गाने भी पहले से शुरू किए, and he even came for acting workshops. So जब wherever we were shooting के लिए आया, workshop के लिए आया, to see a music director who's giving that kind of time for things which is not part. ऐसे नहीं कि हाँ मैं सिर्फ म्यूजिक लिखूंगा. He was fully involved in the process of the making of the film. So where he was getting his inspiration was not only from himself, from Prasoon Joshi, but also from all that he came and saw. But he's been at it now, I think 2 साल से चालू है.
ये अच्छी चीज़ विशाल की है कि ये लगे रहते हैं एक चीज़ पे, 4 चीज़ें ट्राई करते हैं, 5 चीज़ें ट्राई करते हैं. आई थिंक दैट इज़ व्हाट एट दिस एज इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, दैट ही कीप्स ट्राइंग and keep coming up with few new ideas, and I really enjoyed. कई बार होता है कि यार हो गया, लेकिन there is a song like love song. We did 2 love songs. The first one, because he believed in it, I think I went with it because he believed in the melody so much. I wrote it. That is very important, that as creative people we believe in each other. So many times Ram will come up with an idea, I will explore it because he believes in it. And that is the process we have gone through it, and we really enjoyed it.